exposure keratopathy occur with facial nerve palsy. Very common to see stroke patients. Stroke patients, no doctor. They'll have orbicularis oculi, doesn't, if it paralyzed, lid won't close. So corneal exposure will be there. Whereas oculomotor palsy, what do you have? Lid drooping, lid will be there. So facial nerve. How do you treat the pterygium, doctor, after you remove it? We use the mitomycin seed drops. Ultraviolet rays leading to photophthalmia, one of the oldest question. Similarly, one question on optic tract, optic chiasma, lateral geniculate body, localization of the visual field defect is a favorite question. Wernicke's hemianopic pupillary response with the optic tract is very well known. Ciliary body produces aqueous humor, helps in accommodation, and has pars plicata and plana which can be inflamed separately. They are all the true statements about the ciliary body. Oh, we have debated about this question regularly. Secondary bone deposits. So you have changed the frame of the question also in one of our Sunday tests. So examiner took that question. So Walkman's ischemia, supracondylar fracture. I think orthopedics is very easy, doc. This is a tricky question. Not MBBS level question. It is a numerology question. If you are lucky that day, that evening, you guessed it correctly, you will be right. That's all. No big deal. Because humeral fracture देखना ही rare है. उसमें radial nerve injury होना है. होने के बाद patient आपके पास follow up के लिए आना. And you must be the neurologist in charge and decide when to do electrodiagnostic studies. Have you done all that? No sir, housemanship is only 2 months. So it's difficult. So whoever guesses and guesses is the one who becomes the topper. So be very sure we do 0 to 7 days baseline study, doctor, if you are suspecting peripheral nerve injury. Then why you want to do baseline study? Tomorrow if the patient goes to the court and says, sir, I had a fracture, this fellow had put a plaster of Paris and now I have a nerve injury because of that. You will say, no sir, 0 to 7 days only, there is a residual nerve injury, I did not cause. But 10 to 21 days is a typical time where you order electrodiagnostic study in order to know whether there is any nerve injury. Suppose if there is a nerve injury, peripheral nerve injury, how do you identify? If you do electrodiagnostic study at 10 to 21 days. There is a loss of the axon and that will reduce the CMAP amplitude on the electrodiagnostic studies by which you can identify. So 21 days following the injury becomes the answer to check the integrity of radial nerve. But within 7 days whatever you do is basically usually unnecessary, but only to document whether nerve continuity is there or not, but usually unnecessary. So best time is always 10 to 21 days. Answer C becomes a more appropriate answer. Let us see what examiner had in his store. Gordon's classification, you know very well, fracture neck of femur. Fracture clavicle is between middle and outer third. Vertebral tuberculosis generally is paradiscal type. And what is Monteggia, what is Galeazzi? They are all the routine standard questions. Both ulnar and also median, if it is involved, then you have a complete claw hand basically. In osteogenesis imperfecta you have fractures, deafness, blue sclerae, easy breakability of the bones, not the cataract. Lamellar bone may you have the osteon, which is the fundamental unit and structure. Gower sign, muscular dystrophy. Very easy questions. Direct sprinklers. Congenital rubella, there is no hepatitis, but there is a cataract, microphthalmia, deafness. What is the classic triad, doctor? You have deafness, eye abnormality which include retinopathy, cataract and microphthalmia, and congenital heart disease. Where do you have basophilic stippling, doctor, with hypochromic microcytic anemia, typical of the lead poisoning. Splenomegaly, typically not found in ITP and aplastic anemia. If it is found, it is against the diagnosis of ITP and aplastic anemia. So that is the reason, except about it is basically option C. Cherry red spot, where do you find, doctor? Classically in Niemann-Pick, but there is a fix, you can go to court. Hurler also it is found, but not that classically. But did he ask classically? Characteristic. So that makes Niemann-Pick. Did anybody answered Hurler? Then you can form Hurler's association for APPG 2012. So sympathizers of Hurler's answers. So that's it. Next 12 days you must accumulate enough sympathizers who did similar wrong answers like you. So that's the idea. Now this is a interesting question. Down syndrome में what is meant by 21-21 translocation? Fundamentally, doctor, there are 3 21 chromosomes in these who are having Downs. Trisomy 21. That extra 21 chromosome may be attached with 14, chromosome 14, or chromosome 13 or 15 or 22 or another 21. You got my point? They can be 21, 14, 21, 22, 21, 21, like that. That extra chromosome 21 is attached with which other chromosome will subclassify the Down's genetics. Now, if there is a 21, 21, that is extra 21 chromosome is attached to, already 2 21s are there, one more 21 is there, and that is also attached with the 21 only, then you call 21, 21, which is rare. If the mother is the carrier of this T21, 21, there is a 100% chance of inheritance of the Down syndrome is what we have to basically appreciate. If it is 14, 21, then there is a 10 to 15% chance like that. Now, you can diagnose duodenal atresia in antenatal life, prenatal life. Why? Because if you happen to do ultrasound, then the prenatal diagnosis is possible. Question is good, but option C is too revealing in nature. Too revealing in nature. It is like holding a rose, opening up the petals and expressing that do you like to prefer me kind of a option is the C. In a very dumb and lame manner is waiting for you to answer it. I hope still you rejected means you missed it. Yes, doctor. Down syndrome? Yeah. What was given? The mother has revealed the father to have a, what is the next continuity of sentence? Achha, father was given, I'll check that about if father is there, or if father or mother, either of them, No, mother I'm sure, but with regard to father we'll check that.